The crypto market is absolutely bleeding right now due to the American SEC spreading mass amounts of fear and labeling a bunch of top altcoins as securities. This has caused mass sell-offs and lower altcoin prices. But despite the fear in the market, I firmly believe this is the biggest opportunity there has ever been in crypto. So if you have any interest in the crypto market or you hold any cryptocurrency, then you need to see this. So what has happened to cause these price drops? What should you as an investor be doing right now? And what altcoins should you look to invest in during the bear market? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the latest news that has just come out about crypto. I have put a lot of research into this video, and it is packed with the latest information, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any cryptocurrency news. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Now let's not waste any time and get into it. So what has happened to cause the markets to crash? Well, first off, SEC accuses Binance and Coinbase of breaking securities rules. The cryptocurrency world was rocked recently as the US Securities and Exchange Commission accused two major exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, of mishandling customer funds, misleading investors, and breaking securities rules. The allegations highlight the increasing scrutiny faced by cryptocurrency platforms and the need for stricter regulations in the industry. Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, and its founder Changpeng Zhao have strongly denied the accusations, calling the SEC's actions disappointing. They have vowed to defend their platform vigorously against the allegations. Coinbase, another prominent exchange, has also disputed the SEC's claims that it is operating an illegal exchange and stated its willingness to take the legal battle to the Supreme Court. While the SEC considers Bitcoin as a commodity, SEC Chair Gary Gensler has emphasized that most other tokens are subject to the agency's investor protection laws. Gensler has advocated for trading platforms to register with the regulator, signaling a tougher approach to the oversight of digital assets. So that's pretty much the recap on what's going on in terms of SEC suing exchanges. But what else has happened? Sol, ADA, Madison tokens slide 20% in sudden move days after SEC lawsuit allegations. Several tokens were alleged as securities earlier this week, leading to a possible risk-off among traders. Tokens of major blockchain networks slid more than 20% in the past 24 hours amid a likely risk-off event days after 13 tokens were alleged as securities in a US Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against crypto exchanges Binance and Coinbase. The bulk of these losses came in the wee hours of Saturday, data shows. Solana, Polygon, and Cardano fell as much as 25% within hours, leading some on crypto Twitter to wonder if a major crypto fund sold their holdings amid rather illiquid market conditions. Such moves pushed weekly declines for these tokens to as much as 34%, the data show. Earlier this week, the SEC identified tokens issued by foundations and companies or tied to protocols Polygon, Sandbox, Filecoin, Axie Infinity, Chiliz, Flow, Internet Computer, Mir, Voyager, Dash, and Nexo as securities. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out what altcoin projects you should be looking to invest in while prices are low. Well, there is one more major news story to get to before we give you the altcoins. Trading platform Robinhood to discontinue support for Cardano, Polygon, and Solana amid SEC scrutiny. To summarize, Robinhood, a free trading app, has decided to stop allowing trades of three cryptocurrencies, Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, from June 27, 2023. This follows charges against other platforms by the US financial watchdog for offering these currencies, which they say are unregulated. Until the deadline, users can still buy, sell, and move these coins, but any left will be sold and the money can be used for other trades. This doesn't affect any other coins on Robinhood. The prices of these three coins have dropped due to this decision. So now that you have the update on everything that has happened, we are going to be going over to crypto Twitter to see what top crypto analysts are saying. So first up, we have Bitcoin Maxi, Michael Saylor, coming out and saying move your money to cyberspace, #Bitcoin. Another prominent crypto Twitter influencer, Lady of Crypto, said, "For the record, I'm not buying this crypto dip yet. I've been buying dips on the way up, like the USDC dip peg, and it's been a profitable strategy. But I'm holding off on this dip. I might buy it later this weekend or next week, but right now I'm sitting on my hands. Why? If I buy right now, it will be a reactionary decision. When big dips like this happen, it's best to step away for a bit, process your thoughts, and then come back." My thoughts. Bitcoin is close to the low it put in on June 5th, and if it breaks, I think alts continue to free fall. Someone might know something we don't. This isn't uncommon in crypto. If they do, the rumor will filter through to us soon. I'm happy with my crypto exposure app. I've said for a long time I am not going too heavy too early, and this is why. The crypto market is full of surprises. I am 78% in stables right now, and that feels pretty good. The number one rule of investing is to protect your capital. You don't lose your capital by being patient. My desire to buy at good prices doesn't override my desire to protect my capital." And another person came in with an interesting opinion. In a few weeks' time, the SEC suing exchanges will already be old news. Back in older days, China banning crypto was supposed to be the end of it. India banning crypto was supposed to be the end of it. Terra Luna and its rippling effect on the entire industry was supposed to be the end of it. FTX, Celsius, and the fall of many others was supposed to be the end of it. China banning again for a total of 18 times was supposed to be the end of it. The SEC suing exchanges was supposed to be the end of it. There are many more events to summon up, but a Twitter long-form post wouldn't be enough to fit it in. Although these events are occasionally talked about as a reference to history, how many times does this news still actively circulate and gets talked about in fear? For a few weeks, sure, but then we have always moved on like it was old news. This week it's all about the SEC, next week it's all about X or Y again. Like all the 100 times before it, this too shall pass. Next we have another amazing tweet from Crypto Nagato. "Extreme fear is in the market right now. I love that. Some investors will make the right moves. Other investors will run and cry. Zoom out and don't F this up. Anyway, the more I look at this whole situation, the more I think we are close to a bottom and ready to experience a parabolic move upwards. Why do I expect that? The general sentiment is much more negative than when we were trading near the lows in late 2022. The clowns at the SEC just decide to randomly sue everybody. Coordinated attack. Bitcoin to 10K narrative came back in full force. A ton of people couldn't handle this market anymore, so they just liquidated their crypto holdings. Other woke guys are sure there will be another 90% drop, and they will be able to snipe the exact bottom. Maybe I'm wrong, but to me, all these points combined are the perfect recipe for a market bottom. As I said many times already, the Max Pain scenario is up, not down. Now listen to this. The main problem is that the majority of people are either glued at the 4H chart or are just focused on the negative news. As stated above, the general sentiment is trash at the moment. In periods like this, negative news gets way more clicks than positive ones. That's why we have been bombarded with them recently. Did you notice that? This past week you have read a ton of extremely negative news about what's happening in the US, and you were so focused on them that you probably didn't notice all the positive ones that were happening all around the world, Hong Kong, etc. This planet is opening up to crypto. The US is fighting this market. Guess what's more important? Last thing. S&P 500 is 12% away from its all-time high. It's currently at resistance. We can expect a pullback next week. But after that, a new all-time high by the end of the year is likely. Recession is priced in. The money printer will go BRRR. If this scenario plays out, you really think that the crypto market will move in the opposite direction? Hell no. That being said, this is just my humble opinion and how I see things. Make sure to do your own research and decide for yourself. I just hope you won't play their game and liquidate all your crypto before what's coming. When in doubt, zoom out. So now you have all the knowledge you need. Let's get to the altcoins that will make millions. So if you want to find out what those altcoins are, then click on the video on screen right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.